Good morning, guys. We're working on a 2015 Ford C-Maxx Energy. It's the Ford equivalent of the Prius. We're gonna show you how to service the reset the service light, that oil change required light. We also have the tire mobility kit, but we're not gonna mess with that one today. Just did an oil change and all that. So just to zoom out, this is a push start car. Let's say you have everything off, you walk into the car, you want to reset everything. Go ahead and click this over once so the ignition is on, lights turn on. Go ahead and press down the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. Hold it for 20 seconds. And then you'll see the service oil reset in progress. It'll kind of function through the other stuff that is up there too. And just give it a second. You can even click OK on this steering wheel. There you go. Reset service oil complete. And you can use this button right here on the left side, because you have two OK buttons. This one connects on this side, and this one is for the left, just so they're facing the direction they control. So that is it. We are reset. Thank you for watching, guys.